Oh.
Has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 7:30 p.m. EDT. At 4:23 p.m. EDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Orange area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Orange area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southeastern Palm Springs, eastern Anza, Palm Desert, Highway 74 between Anza and Palm Desert, Highway 74 between Mountain Center and Anza and Santa Rosa Mountain. Coastal weather up.
Amazing life cycles from being the little hatch things born on the beach. They end up in this.
Flash flood warning for the following county: Riverside, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 7:30 p.m. EDT. At 4:23 p.m. rain across the Orange area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rain is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southeastern Palm Springs, eastern Anza, Palm Desert, Highway 74 between Anza and Palm Desert, Highway 74 between Mountain Center and Anza and Santa Rosa Mountain.
Brilliant is on the Riverside.
And plants a tag just next to the dorsal fin of the shark. So he tags it without having to catch the shark, without having to bring them to the surface. We can avoid all that stress, and in the regular tagging process, where we'd normally have to exhaust a shark to get it up to the surface and tag it. So he just dives down, gets close enough to the sharks, and then